Now, people get this wrong all the time on Squarespace, and that is the header and the footer. Now, what I'm going to talk about specifically in this video is the footer itself. People think that, when they drag a page into the menu system, then that will show in the header and the footer. But they don't work the same, because with the footer, you can add sections in, you can add blocks in, you can pretty much do whatever you want in that footer area. So this video is going to take you through how to add sections in and how to customize those sections within your footer on Squarespace. If we go into the editor on the site here, you can see what the header, and if we click in this, you can see, we can't really add any we can't add sections. But then if we go down to our footer and we click on edit footer, well, then you can see that we've got add section above and add section below. So if I click on this and add a blank section, we can build whatever we want in our footer. If I click plus, we've got all of the blocks that are available to us, throughout the site. So you can put a gallery in your footer if you wanted. You can put an Instagram block in there. You can put an audio block in there if you're a weirdo. You can do anything that you want in the footer. So you can add these sections in, you can customize them, really, really easy. So change the colors, you can change the background image, you can make an art background, you can add a video background into your footer. You can do everything. Now, the only thing that you can't do is add in saved sections. So if we quickly click up here, you can see that we've got the save section icon here. But, however, we can duplicate. Nice and easy. So, that one's a pretty simple video. That's how you add your sections, customize your sections, and add blocks within those sections on your footer in Squarespace. And before I let you go, it's important to note that you need to go into your mobile view to make sure that all of this looks correct on mobile as well. Because if you have a poor footer on mobile, then you're going to shoot yourself in the foot. So, hopefully you found that useful. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.